Hello, everybody in Facebook land. How is everybody tonight? I am tired. Some lipsticks will lay on real quick. Don't know if I'll get anybody, and that's okay. You can always have replay later. I just wanted to hop on. I have been running around like crazy. It is Millie's birthday today. She is 3 whole years old. Hey, Robin. Hey, Megan. And so, of course, we're going to go to a friend's house tonight, and the kids are going to play. Hey, Sarah. And so my date night is not really a date night. It's a come have a couple cocktails with me and let our kids play party. Do you want to say hi?
Can I have lipstick?
Oh, when I'm all done, you can have lipstick. Can you say hi?
Hi.
How old are you today? Do you know how old you are?
Can I
You're
have
so into lipstick. Okay, let me find your lipstick. Every time. You always know. You want this kind?
No. Nah.
No?
Those.
Thank you, Sarah. What? You want this one?
No.
Well, I don't want to give you one of those. How about this one? You had that one last time. Ooh, that's pretty.
Can I sit with you?
Let me do this and then you can sit with me, okay? You go look in the mirror and put some of that gorgeous lip gloss on. Okay? Because Mommy's going to do some makeup and then we can do your makeup. There's your birthday cake. Oh gosh. Let me go check on the birthday cake real quick.
I want to see.
You can see. Hold on. Let me check on it. That's hot. Oh, it still needs time. Okay. We're back. Okay, hold on.
Can I?
Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Ah, it's bright, isn't it, Millie?
It's all in it. Just
I wonder if we can.
that. Okay.
Are you going to show them how to put lip gloss on? Show them.
Look in there. Look in there.
What color is that? Can you tell them it is Love Sick? And put it on. Say it's Love Sick. Oi! Bless you. Oh! Bless you.
It's
Sonia says, happy birthday, Millie. Can you say thank you? Say thank you.
It's Mama
Say bye, everybody.
lipstick.
Well, put it on. We got stuff to do. Jamie says, hi, Millie. Put it on. Oh, man, are you a professional? You are so good at that. Nice. Beautiful. Jamie says, happy birthday. Say thank you, everybody.
Just say bye.
Stuck in my mouth. Just say thank you, everybody. Be nice. We need to be polite to people. Can you be polite and say thank you?
No, I don't want.
Yes, say thank you.
I don't want to say bye.
You don't have to. You can just say see you later and come back in a minute when I'm all done. Okay.
Bye.
I don't want to say bye. I'm going to say bye. Okay. So I'm just going to add to the look that I... In a minute. Let me get this done, please. Okay? I'm just going to add to the...
It's lipstick.
It's lip gloss, actually. Go look in the mirror and see how pretty it is. This morning I used Tenacious with Cream Shadow and Extravagant, which is a gold color. It's a shimmer. Bye, Jamie. And a coppery... Not copper. What was the word I'm looking for?
What I'm saying.
Thank you, Kara. It's a metal color. I just can't think of the name. Anyway, so I wanted to, for a date night look, grab my makeup. I'm going to grab the palette that I used the other day. And I think the this color could go either gray or brown as a neutral. So I'm going to grab my palette with this, and let's see, what color is that? Nonsensical, this brown, this dark brown nonsensical. I'm going to add a little bit of that to what I've already got on, because I think it'll look great. Now, I've never tried it, but I'm gonna. Bronze, yes, thank you. Gosh, I can tell it's the end of the day. Okay, so I'm going to take my angled shadow sponge brush, and I'm just going to lightly tap it in there, and I'm going to apply it just to the corner. Declan, if you're going to be up here, you need to turn that down, please.
Mommy,
Declan Cade?
mommy, mommy.
What?
Can I get the Joker and out of the car?
Yeah? Make sure you shut the doors, please.
Okay.
So just tap it right in here. Tap off the excess. And then I'm going to do like a little L or V in the corner of my eye. And just kind of darken that a little bit. Now when I do this, I press, I don't swipe. The color will actually stay on better and look better, apply better if you just kind of tap on it or press into your lid, okay? Okay, so that just kind of deepens the corners, and then I'm going to take the sponge end of my brush and I'm going to tap it in this Optimistic, which is that pearly kind of off-white color. And I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes with it. Just to make my eyes look nice and awake and perky for my 3-year-old date tonight. I can't believe she's 3. I feel like I just had her. Crazy. It really is crazy how time flies once you have children. Okay, and I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna put a little bit underneath my eyebrows.
Why is it two Jokers?
Declan, you may be in here, but you need to turn that down.
Okay.
Okay, so I brightened up my eyes. I made it a little bit deeper, darker for a date night look. And then, sorry, I'm gonna take my blender brush and just kind of lightly, crease brush, not my blender brush. Just kind of soften out those edges a little bit. And then, oops, I'm going to touch up my mascara a little bit with some more Epic. I used Epic this morning. I got my bangs trimmed yesterday. My sister was so sweet. She trimmed my bangs before we went to chemo. How many sisters do that? Mine. Okay, so I'm going to put a little more Epic right on the edges of my lashes. Hey, Jason. Hey, hon, will you check the cake for me, please? Just kind of tap the middle of it and see if it's jiggly. Okay. 5. Okay, so nighttime eyes done. I put a little bit of exfoliator on, and I'm going to wipe that off. I'm going to put one of our new powder 2 cream ones on. And I'm wearing kind of an olive gray shirt, so I think I'm going to put on Curvaceous, which is the red. Okay. It's powder in the bottle, and then when it touches your skin, the warmth of your skin, it turns to a cream, and then it's actually a long, oh, I need a flat iron before I go anywhere. Good grief. Hey, Allie. There are water molecules surrounding the, I don't know, they're encapsulated water molecules. When they touch your skin, the warmth of your skin, they burst and then it spreads on as a cream. So it's some fancy biology, chemistry stuff. I'm an artist. I'm an art teacher. Okay. So.
What?
I don't have to go back in and grab more. There's plenty on this wand for all of my lips. This is super lightweight, long-lasting matte lipstick. Hey, Melinda. So I made a cake from scratch for Millie because I don't usually use boxed mixes. And then I got to doing dishes and completely forgot about the cake. So I'm guessing on how much time it needs to be in there. Okay. Beautiful nighttime look. All I did was add to what I already had on this morning, which was some Tenacious and Extravagant cream shadows, and I added some nonsensical brown pressed shadow just in the corner and some optimistic pressed eyeshadow right here in the corner and then underneath my eyebrow. Okay, and then I put our new Moodstruck Crush Lip Powder 2 cream lipstick on. So I'll add some big earrings, flat iron the fluff, and I'm out. I could look nice for a date night if we were going out for a date night tonight. Instead, it's my daughter's 3rd birthday, and we are going to have cake and some fun with friends. So, Millie, did you want to say goodbye? Oh, her lip gloss looks fabulous. Okay, come here.
Happy jump.
Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. You are so gorgeous. Say thanks, everybody. Say thanks, everybody. Please, will you say thank you to them for wishing you a happy birthday, please? Look at, if you want to do this another time with me, you will say thank you right now. Say thank you. 1.
What's that?
Do you want more lipstick?
Yeah.
Then you need to say thank you.
Oh,
Say thank you to your friends. 1.
say thank
Maybe we shouldn't go to your friends then. Should we just stay home? Then say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye.